My name is Ken Trong. I am the admissions counselor for the Marshall Goldsmith School of Management. I'm here to help you with any questions you have about admissions or any of our programs. Please give us a call and I'll be here to help you.
My name is Aung Zae Luin. I work for the Marshall Goldsmith School of Management at Alliance International University. I'm originally from a country called Myanmar, Burma, and I graduated from the school as well. I finished with MBA in IT Management and Finance and working with the university on integrating technology initiatives, and I look forward to working with you on utilizing various social web tools such as Twitter or Google Docs or collaborative tools and the social software tools that are coming up. You will be not only utilizing in your coursework, but what you'll be working when you get into the real world as well. And then at the same time, we would like to work with you on creating engaged communities, a social community among MGSM, among faculty members, students, and staff, and even alumni.
Hi, my name is Raul Olvera. I am from the United States. I've lived in San Diego my whole life. I am currently in the MIBA program with the concentration in finance. One good thing I like about Marshall Goldsmith School of Management is the challenging environment and the students as well. Y el que trabaje duro ahorita y sacrificia sale adelante en el futuro.
I'm Rachna Kumar. I am the program manager for the business programs at Marshall Goldsmith. We have an MBA, we have a master's in international business, and students can specialize in finance, in marketing, in strategic management, in information systems, sustainable business. So we basically move with the needs of the external marketplace and the recruiters. And it is my job to welcome all students here and make sure that they have support in the academia as well as placement when they go to get jobs. We have very affordable and great plans for financial aid. We have a whole financial aid department that works with the students to make sure that they can come here and complete their education. We have admissions counselors who will walk you through all requirements, and just about all faculty will meet you whenever you want. Students are welcome to spend time in the department at all hours of the day and the night, and you'll find some faculty there all the time. So it is our job to welcome students, make sure that there is professional development and that they're ready for the marketplace, especially in today's economy, and have the right education, right professional development so that all recruiters want them. So it is our job to welcome students from any international backgrounds, any ethnic backgrounds within U.S. as well as outside the U.S. People are very warm and welcoming. Students find that this is an atmosphere where they can really flourish, and we work with you to make sure your academic support as well as your professional development for being attractive to recruiters and placement companies after you finish is just at par with anyone else.
My name is Peter. I came from Taiwan. I'm here for study DBA program in marketing. I think the small classroom environment here is totally perfect for graduate students to study. And the faculty here are very nice and willing to help students. So I think if you are an international student, want to pursue your degree and want to enjoy the multicultural environment, I think the Alliance and the Marshall Goldsmith of School Management is the best choice for you. 我喜欢 Alliance， 欢迎大家加入 Alliance.
I'm Dr. Lee White. I teach primarily here accounting, finance, marketing. I'm a little new to teaching academia. I came here after about a 30-year career in business. I'm a CPA. I've been a CFO, a CEO, a Chief Operations Officer, been a CFO of publicly traded companies, and decided at some point in time that I wanted to teach. And myself, along with a lot of the other faculty here, bring a combination of careers and actual experiences out in the real world into a situation where we're training tomorrow's leaders, global leaders. And we believe that it's this actual hands-on experience, years of it, that we can bring to our students that makes us a little different. I mean, you don't find giant classrooms, you don't find teaching assistants teaching classes, you don't find professors that are inaccessible. You find people who have been there, who have done it, who are accessible, who want to share with you, who want to help you.